Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. If it's your first time here, thank you for joining my channel and coming and watching one of my videos. I'm going to do today, it's not like a full dedicated wig review, but I do a wig review. But the key piece is that I am walking you through my adventure to make this wig wearable and to wear it every day. So while I show the wig, and kind of go through everything, it's really a combination of the wig review and wearing it, making it wearable. And then at the end of the day, I come back and give you a end of day summary to tell you how the wig wore for the day. So today we have Jaclyn Smith's Sunset in Carmelized Brown, which is B827. Very, very pretty color. I don't know if you can see. Beautiful coloring in here. It's not too, it's got a little bit of blonde, but not too much, and it's got a nice brown base. Okay, so let me take you through the cap before I put her on. She's got just a basic cap. So we have an extended nape, no nice velour or anything. We have basic ears, just a little open in there, and then just a basic cap there. This is closed wefting, and this is open wefting. And so for stretch, the Jaclyn Smiths usually tend to have a lot of stretch. So very, very basic cap. Now typically, I think I've shook her up already, but my first step that I love to do is to really shake it up. Shake it up. Get those fibers loose, get some zhuzh in there, as Beth would say, right? And then this feels a little knotty, so I'm just going to put a little bit of combing through. And let's see what we have. So, I'm gonna dive in, okay? And this is a Milano full wig grip cap. So it's the wig grip, but it's also a cap. And I find that I find that my wigs stay better and I don't have to keep like pulling them down during the day, and they just feel more secure. So I'm just gonna dip my head in there. Make sure the back is underneath my wig grip there. Ooh, holy Toledo. That was a little zhuzhing. Oh, she's cute, isn't she? All right, so now we've got to get it in the right spot. I need to shave. Take your ears. Make sure those are centered. You got ear stays in there to push. So we've got, let's see what we've got for a fit. So really nice fit here. Comes here, my ear is right there. So nice fit there. Little bit of my bio hair is showing there. And good fit here on this side too, comes right here. I'm gonna have to shave those because usually I shave that part. So, oh, she doesn't need a lot. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of water. A little bit of water. And activate some of that permatease in there. Let me tell you where there's permatease. So there's a lot of permatease in here. So all in the back, actually it feels like this whole cap. Yep, this whole cap. So if you do not like permatease, this is not for you. This cap is totally 100% full of permatease in every spot. So that's your first cue. If you do not like permatease, then this is not for you. So let's get some of this up here. It's got a nice, really pretty curl there, So I don't want this uneven. I don't think I'm gonna have to do much to her. Let me just check out this. Yep, the part seems okay. Let me just do a little bit of this just in case. Let's see, do we want it better? A little more part over here. I think it was good where it was. I just like to put the part back and forth, you know, because you've got a lot of permatease in here. So I don't want it showing too much. So just do this. Yeah, so it doesn't look like a really bad permateased part. And I'm not getting a lot of the, you know, the little short fibers there. Okay, so let's see. She's cute. What do you guys think? Do I want to put anything in her? I don't think I want to put anything in her. I think this is it. You know? The length is good, right? Comes to shoulder length. You don't find a lot in this shoulder length. You know, it's either a little shorter or really longer. So this is a nice length. Really nice curl. Like this big curl here. I like this. Very pretty. All right, let me take you through all sides. So here's my left. Here's the back. Here's my right. And here's the front. So I think that's it. I think the only thing I think I'll add to her today is some Jon Renau holding spray. Just because I want to keep those curls. I want to keep the, you know, the lift or the fullness of it. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Very, very cute. And again, this was Sunset from the Jaclyn Smith line from Paula Young in Carmelized Brown B8/27. All right. It looks like I am ready for today. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll be back tonight letting you know how she wore all day. Hope everyone has a great day and wear those wigs. Bye.